Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try to our lesson. Now I will try to share my screen. Yeah, that's it. We have finished to create well animation. Yeah, but I want to create another body of car. Yeah, maybe I need to click like this. Yeah, okay, I will try to create maybe like this. Okay, I want to create another body of car. Okay, maybe like this. Oh yeah, okay, center, alignment center. Okay, and then copy again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, but I want to take a look. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Okay, yeah. Now I want to make using saving facility. This want to intercept this. Yeah, okay. Jadi select this. Okay. This I want to trim. This object. Okay. Like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I want to make well. Yeah, that's it. Maybe a bit of modification, I think. Okay. Yeah. Alignment center. Okay. Make it bigger. Okay. Okay. That's it. So we create maybe a window, I think. Okay. Purple. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. But this I want to make a fountain fill. Here. Okay, and back. Here I will be okay. 1, 2, 3. I want to make a copy first. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. To make a well and no fill. Okay, no fill. None. Okay. It's none. That's it. Yeah. Take a group. Range group. Yeah. but now I want to export to PNG. Yeah, I want to PNG fill. Okay, PNG. Where is the PNG? Okay. Number second. Export. Okay, transparent background. Okay, RGB. Okay, that's it. Yeah, but now I want to change the screen. Yeah, that's it. We have one well, yeah, but now we want to try to load the body of car. Yeah, MC is a movie clip. Yeah, okay, that's it. I want to in car, to delete, and then file import to stage. It's the okay, it's number 2. Okay, maybe we want to maybe create 300. Okay, yeah, I think maybe 200 enough. Yeah, okay, yeah. Now I want to make a create animation for this body of car. I want to copy, press function number 6. Okay, it's the same position, but now I want to transform. Yeah, transform, transform. Just want a bit. Sorry, transform. Maybe scale and rotate. Yeah, just 1 degree, I think. Okay, 1 degree. Yeah. Okay. Now create the skin. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. We have wheel, and then we can hold, drag here. Oh, sorry, maybe 50-50. Yeah, okay, I think change 50-50. Okay, I think. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, yes. Okay, and then arrange, send to back. Okay, let's see the result. Yes, yeah, it's finished. Body of car and 2 wheel on this. Okay, that's our lesson today. See you on next session. I hope you can follow my step. Thank you very much. See you
next soon, lesson. Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.